Class 7th student. Today we will start your second chapter of computer working with Windows 7. Now, Windows 7 is an operating system which is used in computer. It was first launched in 2009 by Microsoft, continuation to their version of Windows. Windows 7 is an operating system which is used in computer. It was first launched in the year 2009 by the Microsoft in continuation to the version of Windows, their continuous version of Windows. The predecessor of Windows 7 was Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Linux, etc. So these are the different versions of Windows which were launched before Windows 7. Windows Vista, Windows XP and Windows Linux. The main tool that we use to interact with Windows is the Windows Explorer. What is the main tool that we use to interact with my Windows is Windows Explorer. It is essentially to view, explore, organize file and libraries. So this is used to view, explore, organize files and folder and libraries. Windows 7 has a library folder which enable us the user to organize the same type of file in one place. Windows 7 is having a library folder which help the users to organize the same type of files in this one place. This make it simpler to find and access them. A library put together all the files stored in one different location and display them in a single collection. What library does, it just put all the files together which are at the different location and display them in a single collection. It hides the actual location of the file. There are 4 default library Windows 7 which are known as document, picture, music and videos. So there are 4 default libraries which are present in Windows 7. One is the document, picture, music and video. It is further possible to customize and create your own library. It is also possible that we can further customize and create our own library as per our requirement. Windows Explorer enable us to view the directory structure which include drives, files and folder. Windows Explorer of Windows 7, it help us to just look the directory structure which include drives, files and folder. Now next is how we are starting the Windows Explorer. So there is different option which we can use to start the Windows Explorer. First is open start button. Just click on the start menu, all program, accessories and Windows Explorer. In this way we can also open the Windows Explorer. Secondly, we can directly right click on the start button and open Windows Explorer by selecting it. We can also just by right clicking on the start button and open Windows Explorer by selecting it. The Windows Explorer will open. What will happen? The Windows Explorer will open. We can clearly observe it is divided into 2 panes. When you will see, you will find that the Windows Explorer is divided into 2 parts, left and right. The left pane displays the disk drive, library and folder in hierarchical order. The left pane, it displays the disk drive, libraries and folder in a hierarchical order. In the right pane, you can observe the content of the folder or the drive selected. In the right pane, what you can see, you can observe the content of the folder or the drive which is selected. From the left pane, we can observe this 2 arrows are there, sign placed between the names of the folder or the disk drive. These two signs are which are placed before the name of the folder or disk drive. If a folder contains subfolder, it is represented by this sign, arrow sign. If a folder contains the subfolder, it is represented by arrow sign. And if we double click on the sign, the certain subfolder will be displayed on the left pane. What will we do? If we will double click on the sign, and that subfolder will be displayed. At this time, sign changes to this, and now this time the sign changes to this triangle format sign. Thus it expands. In this way it expands. If we now double click it again, it will collapse back and the subfolder with name will be hidden. Now again, if you will just now double click it, you will find it has been collapsed back and the subfolder names will be hidden. We can also try and find yourself in the computer. We can do this thing practically. Thanks a lot.